very bullish of recent past. Kush Bohra, founder of kushbohra.com, with us on the show as well. Kush, quick thoughts here. New highs, are you more constructive? Do you think longs can be added at these levels?
Hi, Neeraj. First up, many congratulations to you and the entire investor community for, the market hitting the new highs. Just to put in context, it'll make the new long trade a little dicey from here on, although there are upsides. 23,200 perhaps is a very easy number to look at. But, markets are always 2 steps ahead of us. Everyone who wanted to position themselves on the long side just before the election, I think they would have perhaps missed the bus by, a bit of a margin. But as I've always maintained, at least in the last week or two, the only trade that you can do in this market is on the long side. And buy on dips was the theme. We still maintain that. So any kind of pullback that you get should be taken as an opportunity to go long on the Nifty, and now even on Bank Nifty having broken 48,000, 48,200 convincingly.
Right, Sabina as well joining, and it's tough to get a pullback, right? I mean, we've been waiting for that, and you might end up waiting much longer than anticipated. But what long trades do you have for us this afternoon? There are lots of people who are watching who want to know what to buy right now in terms of stocks. Anything you like, anything that's still looking constructive on the charts?
Great. Hi, Samina. First up, I'm glad that you asked this question because, you have to start looking at markets and investments, beyond elections as well, right? I mean, you have to start constructing your portfolios and taking positions beyond that as well. And if I can just take that view and put that hat on, I would say, still look at the Geo Financial Services. That's, one stock that we've been discussing time and time over again. I know, you'd want to ask me about HAL and BL once again, but, perhaps a bit of an overrun on these, and you might want to, pair some of your positions there. But a Geo Financial Services, even a Concor for that matter, some of the stocks that, we feel will do much better beyond the election rally as well. So these are the stocks that you should start looking at, in your portfolio. I'm glad that the markets have moved up so much. It just brings in that confidence. But as I said, from a long perspective, the risk-reward ratio might not favor the index just yet. So look for pullbacks on the index.
Sorry, just very quickly, Kush, for the May and June series, what would those stocks be? I completely get your point. HAL, BDL, Garden Reach, Cochin Shipyard, I think that story is, it's lost now. But yeah, give me 3 stocks that one can buy right now for the next series.
Sure. So from a series, from an SNO perspective, they're looking at a Concor. 1175 could be, a good target on this one. 1090 is a near-term stop loss. We're also looking at a persistent with the IT stocks making a sort of a comeback, at least bottoming out indications. So how about we go with just, these 2 to begin with, and Geo Financial on the cash side.
Kush Bohra joins in on the shows and gives us more during the course of the week or the next week. But Kush, really appreciate you taking the time out and being with us. Thanks for giving us your time.